It is very rare that you're given the opportunity to be able to be with people you like, you love, that every day makasama mo. Second question.
What did you find most challenging about it?
Find most challenging. During my time, na may love team, our best work would happen pag magkaaway kami. Okay? So pagka magkabati kami, ang hirap gumawa ng eksena. Pero pag magkaaway kami, okay ba eksena namin? Okay? Next.
Then how did you think na you would thrive if you were a love team in this generation?
Okay. I don't think I would have been able to keep up now with everything because everything now is you're constantly monitored 24/7. Everyone has a phone, everyone has a camera, and news is instantaneous. Before you had to wait a week before the news came out, or a day for that matter, and even answering to the fans would take a week. We'd write letters. Kasi for the kids right now, no, before we used to have our pictures printed. So when we'd meet our fans, we would give them our pictures. Now, everyone has a phone, everyone takes a selfie. So, maybe we would have thrived, but kaya ngayon bilib na bilib ako sa new breed of love teams because ang galing nila. The way they're able to manage their social media, their presence every day, every hour, 24/7. And that's not easy. So yun. So that I don't know how if I would have thrived, but for me, it's very difficult now for them. And kaya mataas ang paghahanga ko sa kanila because they're able to carry it very well.
Thank you. Last question for Frances. So, from being part of Quartet, yung Gold Squad, to headlining your own movies, to working with veteran actors like in Shake, Rattle, and Roll recently, what can you say about each other na how you changed as actors and as friends? Kumbaga, friends, you can tell me what you noticed kay Seth and vice versa.
Honestly po, hindi naman namin ini-invalidate where we came from. Especially, we all know na most of our supporters nanggaling because of Gold Squad. And dahil we did so many vlogs all together. And now, I would say kasi mas papunta na kami talaga sa adulting. So, kanya-kanya na rin ng tinitake na path, may it be in career or in personal lives. Siguro po yung pinagkaiba sa kami po dati or like sa sarili ko before nung nasa group na yon and then to today, ngayon, sobrang laki po ng pinagbago. Siguro po ngayon kung hindi ako nagbago, puro pagsisinungaling na lang po yung sasagot ko sa inyo dahil hindi ko alam kung paano ako sasagot and in terms of just me being a person, like ako lang sa sarili ko. And kay Seth din, from being in that group to kung sino siya ngayon at kung nasaan siya ngayon, sobrang laki ng pagbabago. Kasi parang actually, pareho kaming witness sa growth ng isa't isa. And yun nga po sabi namin before, like enemies kami but dahil pareho naman naming win-work out. Hindi naman talaga enemies, but may konting,
Tension.
Not tension naman. It's really the wall. Talagang friends lang kami kapag trabaho. As in, hindi kami mag-uusap dun before unless like action na or like rolling na kami. And now, mas nagkakaroon kami ng knowledge sa kinagagalawa naming mundo, mas na-appreciate namin, mas alam na namin yung kung ano yung dapat. At habang tumatagal sa lahat ng mga projects na ginagawa po namin, mas na-appreciate namin at nakikita namin yung pinakamalalim na ibig sabihin kung bakit may pelikula at bakit tayo umaarte. Yun po.
Thank you.
Yes, kung paano kami before, tapos ngayon, sobrang laki po ng pinagbago. At dahil malaki ang pinagbago sa kadahilanan na marami rin po kaming pinagdaanan, ang dami naming nakatrabaho, iba't ibang strategy, iba't ibang sitwasyon ang mga directors, iba't ibang atake, iba't ibang kwento yung na-play po namin. So doon malaking bahagi po yun sa growth naming dalawa. Marami kami naging mentors, marami kaming pinagtanungan. And kung ngayon, paano kami mag-usap, we protect our craft. Ina-analyze po namin yung buong story. Mas nag-uusap kaming dalawa. Tinatanong ko po si Francine kung ano yung better pag sa ganitong part, ano yung mas maganda kong gawin, and vice versa. At specific po, yung changes ni Francine naman, ngayon, syempre yung trust, yung friendship na nabuo, mas lumalim pa. And pag napapansin ko siya, pag tinitignan ko siya sa malayo, the way she answered all the questions, the way she handled all the situations, sobrang kakaiba na sa dati. Mas may paninindigan sa salita dahil alam yung ginagawa. And siguro part ng maturing is yung accountability. Both of us, kaya naming tumanggap ng ganon. Lalo na pag sarili namin, alam namin pagkakamali at pagkukulang namin. So hindi yun kabawasan sa amin. Yung gigil mas lumalabas eh. Yung gigil na makapagtrabaho, mas ma-play itong ganitong character, mas magawa itong ganitong eksena, mas pangarapin yung ganitong klase ng movie o teleserye, mas nasa amin po ngayon. So yung gigil sa trabaho, mas dinoblihan namin. And ako sa ABS, 7 years. 7 years na sa ABS since PBB. So sobrang dami rin po namin pinagdaanan. Sobrang hinubog kami ng panahon, pinagtibay kami ng kung ano man. Sobrang happy ko doon na hanggang ngayon ginagawa pa rin namin at nag-share kami ng knowledge sa isa't isa. And new friends, new co-worker, new directors, new writers, new productions. So, padagdag pa ng padagdag and I hope madagdagan pa ng madagdagan.
Thanks guys, congrats also.
Thank you so much, Ms. Manila Santos of ABS-CBN. And now let's pass the mic on to from Copamilya Online World. A question from Sir Jeffrey Perdon.
For Francine, what qualities do you think matter more than a name when it comes to love?
Ooh.
What qualities do you think matter more than a name when it comes to love?
What qualities do you think matter more than a name when it comes to love? Thank you so much for that wonderful question.
So, qualities po ng tao. Okay.
Higit ba sa pangalan?